Yo, the GotBackup business opportunity just got better. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, a couple days ago, I was on a GotBackup affiliate webinar where the owner, Joel Terrian, he was talking about a new feature that just got added to the GotBackup business opportunity. And I ain't gonna lie, at first when I was hearing about this new upgrade that you can do with GotBackup, my first thought was, man, I don't want no damn upgrade. Like, I ain't trying to be sold nothing new. Like, come on, man, what's this? Like, what y'all talking about? But then I actually watched the whole webinar and I was like, yo, this is pretty dope. This can help a lot of affiliates. If you're not exactly familiar with what GotBackup is, it is an online business opportunity in the cloud storage industry. All right, so when you think about GotBackup, you want to think about things like iCloud and Google Dropbox and anywhere where you can store pictures and videos, right? So GotBackup is a $9.97 a month cloud storage service, but it actually has a business opportunity connected to it that allows people to build up a monthly recurring income. So to get started as a GotBackup affiliate, there is only a one-time $20 fee, and then it's $9.97 a month. Now, me personally, I think this is already dope as hell, right? Because what you get for $9.97, right? You get 6 terabytes of cloud storage, right? 6 terabytes. So you can store all kinds of videos, photos, documents, blah, blah, blah. But by you paying that one-time $20 fee, it allows you to become essentially a reseller of GotBackup, where you can get affiliate commissions and you can actually build up a network and start earning a monthly recurring income just by promoting GotBackup. Now, this one-time $20 affiliate fee gives you access to a ton of marketing tools in your GotBackup back office. All right, so it gives you everything you need, everything from email swipes to banners to opt-ins, automated emails, all of that stuff you get for that $20, right? So I think already that is enough. GotBackup already gave you enough to build up a solid business. But on the webinar, Joel actually introduced a new marketing upgrade package for affiliates that feel like they want more. You know what I'm saying? Like they want more opportunity to get those affiliates and start building up their network. So this new marketing upgrade gives you the ability to do some really, really cool marketing to get more referrals. I'm gonna go over 2 of the features that I think is really, really cool. Now, the first thing that you're gonna be able to do with this upgraded package is create custom landing pages. GotBackup already has a few different pages that you can send potential affiliates to, right? But when you do this upgrade package, you actually have access to more customizable landing pages that you can send people to. But you're probably thinking, who cares? Like, what company doesn't have landing pages and things like that? But this was something I think was really, really cool. They actually got it where when someone joins your GotBackup team, all right, you can go in your back office and you can actually take their photo, your new team member, all right, and you can put it, in the back office and create your own landing page. And on that landing page, it shows you congratulating your new team member, right? Showing them how they hit a new rank or a new achievement. And on the right side of the page, this is where people can opt in and take the GotBackup tour. So that is, to me, I really never seen nothing like that. That is dope. So anytime you get a new affiliate, you can show them some love, right? By having them on your capture page, and you could attract new people. Now, another feature that you can get with this upgraded marketing package, I definitely never seen this before. So what you can do is, if you go to any sort of event, right? Joel was talking about going to a wedding, all right? So you can actually have a little QR code right, that you can pass out to people on you know, things on the table or anything like that, where people can actually scan the QR code and they can actually get all of the pictures, right, that you take from that event. All right, so if it's a wedding and you taking, you know, tons of pictures, anybody who scans that QR code can later on go back and get access to all of the pictures taken at that wedding. All right, but here's the cool part. To get access to those pictures, right, when a person scans that QR code, they're going to be asked, you know, hey, to put your email in, all right, to get access to these photos. So once they do that, A, they'll be able to get access to the photos, and B, they're going to be introduced to the GotBackup opportunity. So basically, anybody who scans that QR code is a new lead for you. So you can do this at weddings, birthday parties, business meetings, even family functions. Like, this is dope. Those were two of the features that really stood out to me, but there's actually more that you get with the upgraded affiliate package. You're probably thinking, yo, that's cool and all, but how much is this upgrade marketing package going to cost? Well, depending on when you're watching this video, if it's after 7 days after this webinar I just watched, so it's only a couple days left, it's only going to be $24.95 for affiliates. So this was an exclusive webinar for current GotBackup affiliates, so it's not actually advertised to the public yet. When this does go live to the public, it will be $29.95 a month. So if you decide to take advantage of all of the marketing materials and use the GotBackup service, you will have a full-blown scalable online business for under $40 a month. Now keep it all the way real. Do I think this new upgrade marketing package, do I think it's good? Absolutely. Do I think it can help a lot of people? Absolutely. But do I think it's necessary for somebody to have a successful GotBackup business? No. All right. Honestly, I do believe that you can build a solid and profitable GotBackup business just with the $9.97 monthly membership. Because there has been a lot of people, including myself, that has already made money with GotBackup way before this marketing package even existed. So it really just depends on you and what direction you want to go in as a GotBackup affiliate. I mean, I would recommend, you know, just starting out, you know, just get your affiliate fee, pay that $20, and just see what you can do with just your $9.97, you know, monthly membership. And then once you get comfortable and used to it, then if you want to upgrade, go ahead. But if you like the features, like you just really feeling the upgraded material, then just go all in. Because yes, GotBackup is an incredible opportunity that I plan on being with and earning money with for many, many, many years. So if you want to get started as a GotBackup affiliate right now, click that first link in the description and I will see you on the team.